It sounds good. If you are just tuning in, we got snowed in, so we're making the best of our time. Even though it's snowy at the airport, it's beautiful here. So we got a loader out there. What's that thing called? We got a big boy excavator out there, warmed up, ready. Heater's probably on inside of it, and we're gonna send this motorless car. Now the definition of that is what it is. I'm not sure. If we get good at it, I'm gonna tie a sled to the back of this car and let him
there's one in the
back of the
unfinished
sled
area.
while Cody drives the car.
Hell yeah.
So it's
I know
gonna
where
be
the sled is.
kind of like what is that show? The Squidbillies with the car boat car. We're gonna do a car sled, etc.
A car sled Cody.
Yeah, car sled Cody.
Ah, let's go.
Like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the hood, out the hood, out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came from our mouth to get that peace. Take the west side, take out the east. I'ma put them in the cage, I'ma let out the fire. I hear them chat to me noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat with the boys.
Wow, we are getting really good at this.
Just too shot with the prize. White girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Rock like fire on the car. If you wanna touch me, please just touch me.
I got this second job picking people up in the limo, man. You know we gotta do our jobs. Let's go. Hello? Oh, what's up, man? Hey. Yeah, what's cracking, bro? Oh, I'm pulling up on you right now, bro. It's nothing. I'm about to jump in this rental right now. I got a surprise for you. I'm gonna see you right now, baby. Don't even do it. I got you. Don't worry about it, man. It's all in the book. Alright, let's go.
Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Like 0 degrees. I'm out the cage, gotta let out the beast. Revolutionary, gotta let out the streets. Locked in the cage, I'ma let out the hood, out the hood, out the wake up, get out the sheets. We came from our mouth to get that peace. Take the west side, take out the east. I'ma put them in the cage, never let out the fire. I hear them chat to me noise, move too quick, can't stop for the talking. I hear them chat.
You know what time it is? It's your boy Goose. I'm here at Big Indian Drip Pit on this lovely, lovely day here. And we're gonna do some snowboarding because your boy Goose loves to snowboard. Woo.
Growing up in a mostly poor suburban atmosphere, I've never known the fun of snowing or sleighs or any shit even close. So this is good.
Going solo?
Yeah, I'm not going.
Why do you jump it on?
My face is numb. Only thing keeping my nose warm is buggers. What to do, everybody? It's Dr. Brokeleg and it's crazy car time with Taxi Garage. On your crazy carts is important. Nick, I promise these aren't the motors that I want you to warranty. I promise.
Come on, baby. Come on. Rip a little bit.
White girls gotta tell me I'm awesome, yeah. Hot like fire on the phone. If you wanna touch my